The IDOI Consumer Protection Unit protects the consumers of Indiana by ensuring that compliance by the insurance industry. So we're here to inform and protect consumers and to make sure that those who sell or do business of insurance in Indiana do so in accordance with the law. The Consumer Protection Unit consists of essentially three different divisions. We have the Consumer Division, the Enforcement Division, and the Title Division. The Consumer Services Division handles complaints received directly against insurance companies. The Enforcement and the Title Divisions handle complaints received against the insurance agents or other entities that sell insurance in the state of Indiana. We can forward a copy of a complaint that we receive from a consumer to the insurance company. We obtain information and explanations on behalf of the consumer from the insurance company, and we review in detail the information received to determine if there are compliance issues with the Indiana laws, regulations, or other requirements. And then we can help explain provisions of an insurance policy to the consumer who may not completely understand what all is covered by their insurance policies. We cannot intervene in a pending lawsuit on behalf of a consumer. And in the case of disability insurance complaints, we can't make medical decisions as to the extent of an individual's disability. So it's not our role to provide legal guidance or information, but we certainly want to make sure that those companies are acting within the legal authority that they have. We see complaints against insurance companies and other entities regarding maybe the improper denial or just simply a delay in an insurance claim, alleged illegal misrepresentation of those policies. Maybe someone has promised you that your policy will cover something that it actually does not. And alleged theft of premiums. Unfortunately, we see folks who might receive an insurance premium from a consumer, but that money never makes it to the company. So those are the types of things we can help. We can also answer concerns about your insurance premiums or different rates that you might be charged. And those include the Medigap insurance, which is also regulated by our department. And then also we handle the improper handling of an insurance cancellation of a policy or a non-renewal. Our statutes require that certain things happen in certain orders, and it's our job to make sure that the company has done that. But before you file that complaint, it's always a good idea to contact the insurance company directly or the agent that sold it to you, anyone else that might have been involved in that process, to see if you can resolve those issues first. If you don't receive a satisfactory settlement or response to your questions or complaints, then you can certainly file a complaint with our Consumer Services Division. When you do file a complaint, you should provide as much information as possible. And then the more complete information that we receive, the sooner that we can help resolve the issue for you. If you do decide to file a complaint with our office, you can do that in writing. We need some form of written complaint so that we can forward that to the insurance company so that they can see what your concerns are and can respond directly to those. You can submit that online. We have a consumer complaint portal, and then you can also print a form and mail it to us, fax it to us. But honestly, the most efficient way to do that is through that consumer complaint portal. It asks for all the information that we would need initially, and it's going to help expedite the review of your complaint.